So, are you tired of guessing when people actually join your Zoho portal? Let's automate it.
You know that feeling? Constantly hitting refresh just to see who's finally accepted their project invite?
Yeah, we call that the invitation blind spot. It's such a waste of time, right?
Think about it. Subcontractors need access now. You need to know without constantly checking.
So what's the fix? It's a simple workflow rule. Think of it as your own personal doorman.
All right, let's build this thing. First, jump into automation, then workflow rules for users.
Now you've got to tell Zoho what the trigger is. For us, it's accepts the invite.
You can even get specific with criteria. Then, for the action, let's pick an email alert.
And here's where you decide who gets the heads up. You can use an existing alert or make one.
Okay, last step. Just hit save, and this is important, make sure you flip that status toggle to on.
Exactly. The project manager gets notified automatically. No more manual checking. That's the whole point. Oh, and here's a little pro tip for you. Zoho actually made this even easier recently.
Yeah, if you've got a newer portal, this rule might already be built in.
How cool is that?
And that's the payoff. You get an instant notification the second someone joins. It's effortless.
See how much time that saves? So it makes you wonder, what's the next thing you're going to automate?